All right, guys, I bet you this is the only BMW that you guys will see in this color combination. Look at that sexy beast. 650i 2012 BMW. Got factory converters there and up there somewhere, right beside the motor. Then comes with a factory 3-inch pipe into a factory H pipe there. Then we did a mid resonator delete there. Then we ran factory pipe again and deleted the rear mufflers there and there. There's the two mufflers. There's the resonator. Deleted all that, like, and put some quad tips out the back just to complete the look. Came out beautiful. Black chrome quad tips. Just sexy all the way around. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Louis Vuitton special. You hear that beast coming up? Give a guess. That's sick. There you go. Sound decibels. 150. That's perfect. Man, that sounds mean. Yeah. There's that pop. Go on and back it up. That's perfect. Look at that sexy car, man. Again. There it is from the front. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah.